Hi everyone! Welcome back to Indoorsy Mom. Today I'm making one of the most loved Filipino Christmas recipes, chicken macaroni salad, and I'll share my secret ingredient that makes it extra delicious. Let's start. Add chicken breast to a pot of water. Remove the foam as it boils. Season with salt and pepper. Cook until chicken is done, then set aside. In another pot, boil water with a little salt and oil. Add elbow macaroni. Cook until al dente. Strain, rinse lightly with cold water, and drain well. Once chicken is cooled, shred using your hands or forks. In a large bowl, add cooked macaroni, shredded chicken carrots, cheese cubes, raisins, pickle relish, celery, onion, and pineapple. Want to see all the ingredients? Just scroll down to the description box below. Add 1 can cream, 2 cups mayonnaise, half tablespoon sugar, salt and pepper. Mix until smooth. Before we chill this salad, here's my secret ingredient. Half a cup sour cream. This gives a perfect tangy flavor and makes our salad extra creamy, balancing the sweetness and richness of the dressing. Trust me, this makes it even more delicious. And that's it. Our Filipino chicken macaroni salad is ready. Creamy, sweet, savory, and perfect for your Christmas table. Don't forget to chill before serving. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe for more Filipino holiday favorites. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from my kitchen to yours.